This video will guide you through how to use the AI Health Scanner in Rehab Pro. For first-time use, it is recommended to connect the chair to Wi-Fi and set up your profile. If you have completed login already, you can skip directly into the AI Health Scanner guide. To create your profile, select Login, then choose Create an Account if you're a new user. Enter your personal email address and request the verification code. Once you receive the code, create a password, enter the code, and press Register now. Next, complete your profile by selecting your gender, date of birth, height, weight, and name. Don't forget to upload a profile picture. Finally, press Done. Your account will be created, and you can proceed with the health scan and start using your chair. You can also add additional users to the chair by repeating the same setup steps. To check your health data and report, grab your health sensor. On the tablet, go to Settings and scroll down to Per Health Setting. Press and hold the button on the sensor for 5 seconds while it's flashing. Look for GSRS in the menu. If it doesn't appear, press and hold again. Tap GSRS until you see a tick. The sensor will start vibrating, ready to use. Go back and select Health Check. Tap, pick up the sensor. You'll feel it vibrate in your hand. Press Start Detection. The chair will perform a full body scan, including your neck and shoulders, and adjust for your height. Adjust correct shoulder position and press Confirm. While the system are working to check your health report, hold the sensor firmly but gently in your palm, with your middle finger on the red sensor as shown. Wait while the scan completes. The chair's rollers work with the sensor to accurately detect your health metrics. Now you can view your health report, including your fatigue level, which identifies areas of pain and stiffness in your body. You can also see your blood oxygen, microcirculation, heart rate, and HRV, along with the healthy ranges for each. Once reviewed, you can start the massage program, which is customized based on your body's needs. Thank you for watching the full guide. We hope this guide helps you use your massage chair effectively and support your overall health.